We launched TCS NQT Crash Course, which consists of 5 full-length tests as per TCS test pattern. And those who clear the main exam TCS NQT will give one mock interview for that in this crash course. And this portal access will be given for 3 months. Okay, and generally we consider the price for that is 1000. And as TCS announced their registration process, we came down to 550% off there. And clearly, it's only allowed for students who cleared the test. For them only, we are giving virtual mock interview. And how to do the registration process for this TCS NQT crash course and how to use the platform. Just I want to explain this in this video. And everyone know in this we have 2024 batch, 2025 batch, 2026. All three batches are allowed to go ahead, right? So you can see 2024 batch, 2025 as well as 2026 batch. So all three batches are allowed to register for TCS, okay? And only for two roles, which is digital and prime only this time. There is no ninja role. You have 7 to 9 plus package. I am just giving you in a rough way 7 to 9 LPA. To be precise, it's a bit more than that. Okay, a round figure I am saying 7 to 9 LPA package. Okay, to crack this, we designed 5 full-length tests. For each test, each section video solution in detail will be given so that you people can uh, practice things properly and you get ready for to crack the main TCS NQT as well. Right. Now, how to do registration for this crash course is we given a URL here, codeapp.in/courses. Okay, let's say you people entered in this codeapp.in or slash courses. First, you can do sign up. Okay, we have daily challenges also in this portal. Daily, we are posting certain questions from quantum reasoning likewise. But for that also, if you want to attempt, you have to sign up first. Let's say when you go for sign up, it is asking certain details like username. Okay, next time also when you log in, it will ask username and password, email ID, full name, university roll number, your university registration number or roll number. We are asking college name, phone number, and state. These details we asked okay during your registration process. Okay, once you people are registered, you go through the courses, right? So you can click on this TCS NQT crash course. I kept one more course regarding quantum reasoning along with gaming. If you people are not strong in quantum reasoning, you can go through that course as well. You can register for that. Let's come to this course, which we are talking about TCS NQT. There are a lot of courses we designed, Infosys, test series, HCL and all. For a while, as now TCS is very important, to avoid confusion, we kept only two courses right now on screen. Okay, maybe right now until for next 1 month we just thought of keeping only these two courses on screen, okay, visible for visibility purpose. Now when you click on enroll now, you may have a doubt what things we are going to get as outline. As we already mentioned, you have 5 full length mock tests along with video solutions plus one mock interview. Mock interview is only for students who cleared the test. Next, internally what is there? You can see previous year papers, certain recent questions along with NA means numerical ability, 3 4 set of papers, reasoning 2 set of papers fully explained, video solution. Below numerical ability, if you click, what is the syllabus for that and different topics, topic wise TCS papers, internally numerical ability, foundational and advanced quant, whatever they asked previously, those topic wise discussion also you can find here. Similarly, in verbal, revision video and verbal syllabus also we kept in verbal. Then when you come to reasoning in foundation advanced round, different topics which they are testing, we added those video solutions. It's not just like that. Below there is a video. When you enroll to course, that video will be visible. You can learn that video. You are not yet purchased the video of our course. Just it is outlined what is there inside this course. You can check here detail. Different important topics which is required for reasoning, which is required for quant, which is required for verbal, and previous set of papers also we kept. And coding also outline regarding, okay, 3 hours video regarding edge cases, how to do space complexity and all. We kept one video there. And then for interview also, okay, what type of questions they are asking, all those we kept here. Then here comes the main thing, TCS test 1. So test 1, first we have to take the test, then video solutions related to that. We're adding a coding related also, don't worry. All those modules. Okay, test followed by numerical ability, foundation section video, verbal ability explanation for that questions, reasoning explanation, advanced quantum reasoning explanation, followed by coding as well. That will be added, don't worry. So for every test you can find this. First you have to take the test. Now let's say I already purchased this one, then what you can do is, okay, you can go for dashboard. Once you purchased, next time onwards when you log in, you can click on dashboard. This dashboard also we're trying to put that button here. It will be updated soon. Okay, you can go for dashboard or you can click on the courses. When you click on courses, it will show enroll now. But when you go inside, it won't ask. Okay, when you click on enroll now, if after paying amount, okay, it will be going to a QR code or through net banking you can pay the amount. Here you can see already enrolled. If you already purchased, it will show already enrolled. You can go see, yeah, you can find now that videos and all recent questions, start lesson. You can find there is a video here, you can learn and complete those tasks, right? So related to quant reasoning, for every uh, video below there is one link, below there is one video, you can just go through and complete those videos for better preparation, topic wise also, which is important, those topics when and test. And coming to test, what we did is, I know, okay, in TCS test they're giving foundation round, numerical ability, verbal and reasoning, numerical 20 questions, reasoning 20 questions, verbal 25 questions. Okay, each 25 minutes like that. Then advanced quantum reasoning together nowadays they're asking 14 questions and 25 minutes. But in this every test, what I did is advanced quant 10 questions, advanced reasoning 10 questions I kept, so that you people can learn more and practice more. I can shrink it, okay, removing 3 4 questions like that. But finally, I thought of having more questions is a advantage for students only. Then I kept as it is. Now, once you click on test one, start lesson. It's now it will be like start lesson button instead of start test. Now, once you come to this test, okay, when you click on this test, okay, mock exam ready, you just click on. It will enable full screen mode. It will go to full screen mode. Then after every section, yeah, you can see when I click on it, it will go for full screen mode. After every section also, I repeat, after every section, it will come to a resume exam like this, and we're given section wise timer only. And in fact, one section completed, then next section. You cannot go back to the previous section. That's how TCS also designed their exam. You cannot switch between sections, right? So that's sure. So that is why we kept here also after one section, you cannot go to the previous section and all. Okay, so let's see here the scenario. Now resume, okay, first one advanced reasoning, likewise, okay, you can find already attempted previous things and all, that's why it went directly to advanced reasoning because remaining sections already attempted. That's what the actual problem came here. Otherwise, one by first part A will numerical ability will come, then verbal, then reasoning. Part A, these three all comes under foundation section, right? Whereas these are comes under this comes under advanced section, part B. This is quantitative aptitude. That typing will be corrected. Don't worry. So then, okay, one thing you have to ignore is this question numbers. They way shuffled it. Even it is question one, here two will be there. That you ignore. And yeah, you can find have 10 questions. After this 10 questions, okay, when you complete last one, no, when you do save and next section, it will come to basic, like exam passed like that, then it will go to next one. Let's see, when I click on save and next, finish this section, when I click now it will come like this, then again click on resume exam, it will go to next coding. Don't worry, when you got the, like this full screen mode exam pass, like don't worry, you click on resume exam, then it will coding will start, right? So why you directly went to advanced reasoning is already I clicked on first section, quant, numerical ability, verbal reasoning, all I already tried, then it will go to next one only. Okay, then when start section, you can go for programming practice, all those. Then once all these things are done, you can come back and you can keep checking in the dashboard what's your uh, percentage of course completed. Okay, whether it is 0% or see, I didn't completed any exam so far, so 0 lessons completed, 0 test completed like that. And today, every day, we are keeping some questions randomly from quant, reasoning, verbal, coding, and all. After this 3 months course, also you can visit our website and you can check those daily challenges and you can learn daily one question also. So this is the entire scenario. Yes, 0%. I didn't complete any exam and all. We can keep checking this. I hope the people got the idea, and you can join our Telegram channel for any quick update. You can reach us in this Telegram channel, and or else you can mail us if you have any issues, or you can just drop a message. We will receive that. Okay. Or for a quick, you can go for Telegram channel. You can click on it and you can join the course, which is TCS Crash Course is available. There you can, yeah, we kept one channel inside, which is TCS NQT Crash Course. Out of this, yeah, here you can just drop a message. We'll address all your doubts, right? I believe you understand the entire process, okay? And definitely, whatever we kept, it's all previous TCS questions, and by taking utmost care we did. Okay, if any small issues also, please bring it to our notice in Telegram, or maybe dropping a message in that contact. Well, I'm ready to update it. Okay, fine. Thanks for your time. I believe this inputs will be sufficient to enroll to this course, and what are the benefits, all those stuff, right? Thank you all. Okay, if you like this course, please try to share to your friends, to other colleagues as well. Promote us, try to help us to grow together. Thank you all. All the best.